This is my mom's 60-year-old wrinkle face, dark spots, sagging cheeks causing prominent jowling, and this is my mom's face now. Can't believe her skin looks so plump smooth. Secret is only 3 to 5 drop Bakuchiol Retinol Serum Daily Habit. Provide X25 Plant Bakuchiol, adjusted pure retinol, X5 times fresh collagen helps anti-aging. Just using it 2 months, and clear result like my mom back to 20s, so young and attractive again.
Bakuchiol Retinol Serum. Best skincare brand na nakita ko. Dumudulas, oh. Oh. So recently na-discover ko lang tong brand na to and sobrang tuwan-tuwa ako dito. Kaya naman, Korean secret to defeat aging, maintain glowing skin forever, pay only 1 peso a day, get X3 times smoother, rosier skin, remove ants, wrinkles, and defeat aging in just 2 weeks. No Botox, no filler, no spay. At makaka-retain din to ng moisture ng balat. Pag mas moisturize at hindi po inflame ang balat, mas mabilis po nag-fade yung mga dark spots. And marami na po tayong studies and evidences na nagpapatunay na very effective po ang Bakuchiol Retinol Serum bilang exfoliant. Tumutulong din to para mag-increase ang collagen production, para mag-fade ang mga wrinkles at mag-brighten ang skin. Good job!
Magic serum. Trust me, sobrang worth it nito. It really lightens your face, brightens your skin. Pati yung mga pimple marks ko, ang bilis niyang mawala.